My name is Tessa Holine. I'm from Watertown, South Dakota, and I'm at SDSU studying business economics, and I'm minoring in design. By the time my junior year finished, I had all of my required classes for high school done, so I had basically my senior year free. And so then I was like, what do I do now? So I was looking at different options. At the time, I was planning to go to a four-year university for mechanical engineering. And so I looked at their welding program because I thought it would be useful to have a practical application to put to the engineering aspect of what I would be doing. My plans have changed, obviously, since then, but it got me started on the right track to do that. It sounded fun. I had never welded before, and so I really started enjoying the artistic aspect of it that I didn't expect that I would. Having made sculptures and getting a base of knowledge for welding, I feel very excited for the future because I would like to continue doing it and potentially own a metal business. I have a little stick welder in my garage with very basic tools. Because I wasn't sure what I wanted to go to school for, SDSU offered really big opportunities for me to change what I wanted and explore different classes. I could see myself one day owning a business, and I wasn't completely sure what I wanted to go to school for, so I thought that I would start with something that I could see a future in. And it's a very versatile degree, good classes, good professors, so it was a pretty easy decision. Taking a lot of the classes that I am planning to take will give me the confidence to rely on myself to start my business, to get jobs places, to network with people. SDSU does a good job of providing you with opportunities to practice talking to people and to practice applying the skills that you're learning. The group that I'm in right now that's in full force is the HOBO Day Committee. We plan the SDSU's homecoming, and I am on the marketing team. I'm the social media coordinator, and it's been a completely different experience than I would have expected, but it's been so much fun. It's full of awesome people. There's about 18 of us. We have a very fun time together, and we get to plan the biggest events here. I was able to do a service project for some missionaries in Brazil with my welding, and that was an awesome experience. And so that really opened up the doors for me. This is a skill that can actually help people places. And so that's another goal for me, is to use any of the skills that I have and to help people.